You have to write a miraculous number, and together you have to write the amount of money you want. Then you will not believe the miracle that will happen. Friends, in today's video, I am going to tell you special solution related to law of attraction money, so that you can also become rich. You will get as much money as you want. First of all, take a white blank paper and also take a red colored pen. Red color pen because red color attracts quickly. Now keep a paper on the ground and hold a pen in your hand. And close your eyes and think of your favorite number in your mind. After thinking of the number, you have to write the same number on the paper. And below it write the amount of money you want. And after writing the amount, you have to write down the full your name. After writing all this on the paper, now you have to take a small glass bottle. Mix some white salt and water in it. After mixing salt and water, then a little salt water has to be sprinkled on the paper, and you have to keep that paper in your wallet. With this law of attraction principle, you will get the money you wanted.